Hey everybody, Dragon Lover 95 here with, well, another unboxing video. And, well, let's just say, this came from Amazon. And, well, I have a feeling, I think I might have guessed what I might have gotten. But at the same time, it could be of something else. With a good trusty pair of scissors. If any of you, if you younger viewers basically decide that you want to open a box, at least have someone who's experienced with this before and be careful with sharp objects. It's best if you were to be. You don't want to get hurt. Anyways, let's start. Boxes be dang. Boxes be dang. Oh, how the tough is of boxes be so dang. Just a moment, guys. These scissors are not really cut out, so just a split second. Okay, I got a bigger pair of scissors, people. So, let us continue. Oh. Well, this is probably a bit easier. Oh, okay. Got it. Da 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 da. We obtained a Litten plush. Well, that was a lot quicker than I thought. Well, I've got more on the way, guys, but as of today, I got me a Litten. So, I don't think you will want to see me unbag this, so I'll just cut to with you know, when he's unboxed and unbagged. Well, that was a bit easy. Jeez, this is so cool. I'll inform you guys about this. I really did like Litten when it was revealed, and boy, did I really enjoy liking the Litten line, especially using it on my team. A lot of people may not like, well, Incineroar, but come on, he's a big wrestling tiger Pokemon, and I basically liked him. I'm not dissing any people who like the Decidueye or Primarina, just saying, well, I practically prefer the wrestling tiger Pokemon. This is actually pretty cool as well. You're probably questioning, why did I decide to get a Litten in particular? Well, let's just say, basically I saw it practically at a Walmart, but chose not to. But then the second time I went, there was actually Charmander, which you already had seen in one of my videos. And, well, during Christmas Eve, me, my sister, and my dad, we went to a few Walgreens trying to get, well, believe it or not, it was a Chia Pet for a white elephant. No, that's practically a game where you give out gifts and such. And well, I saw all three starters, and again, I was hesitant to well, whether I would want one or I probably would wanted the blue dragon, which you should have seen Scourge turned into in that one video. So yeah, and thus, and then Wild Goose Chase just trying to find Litten, and well, it was like, might as well resort to Amazon. So now you know that little story. This place certainly is not that bad. I think I could get used to here. Well, you certainly awfully are calm. Why would I not be? I mean, after all, it took a little while, but I think I like it here. Well, care to give out what you will be called? Hello, everyone. My name is Shadow the Litten, and where I might come from? Well, I don't want to spoil anything. Well, you certainly like keeping secrets. Hey, an agent must always keep his secrets. Now, if you do not mind, shall we finish? Sure. Well, I hope y'all pretty much like this, and hopefully that when later I do get more, there will be more unboxing, but for now, I'm just happy to at least have this guy. So, I'll see you all later. Bye, everyone, and good day to you all.